Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display discounted price or safe price with the regular and sale price in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shop page. So this is the regular price $50 and this is our discounted or sale price $30. So we are going to display discounted price in static number like our regular price 50 and sale price 30 and our static safe price $20. So we are going to display it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display discounted price and then you see text save. So you can add text according to your requirement, and then scroll down you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see this is our regular price and this is our sale price and this is our discounted price in static number. Now you see $20 and then we are going to display inline. Now go to customize section. So this is our custom CSS. Now back to shop, right click on it and then click on inspect. Now inspect element open and then you see highlighted CSS class. So this span class price highlighted this whole section. Now you see CSS class. So we are going to add display flux. Now add display flux and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to shop page again and refresh the page. Now you see display inline. So now we are going to add some margin for save. Now go to custom code and then scroll down. In save text you see class saved -sale. So we are going to add custom CSS using this class. Go to customize section. Now you see we added custom CSS class saved -sale and then you see margin left 5px we added. So you can add custom styling according to your requirement and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see some margin. Now you see we have two products. So this is a variable product, open it. So this is a simple product, open it. So we are in variable product. Now select black and then you see regular price 10, sale price 8, save $2. Now go to simple product. Now you see save $20. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.